Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade popsicles using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. Choose your favorite ripe fruits. Berries, mangoes, or even citrus work wonderfully. You'll also need a sweetener like sugar, honey, or maple syrup to taste. Don't forget your popsicle molds and sticks, making sure they are clean and ready for use. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious treats. Now, let's create our flavorful base. Combine about 1 cup of your chosen fresh fruit with 1/4 cup of water in a blender. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener. Adjust this amount based on the fruit's natural sweetness and your personal preference. Blend everything until the mixture is completely smooth, ensuring there are no large fruit chunks remaining. This smooth consistency is key for perfect popsicles.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Quick recommendation: making popsicles can be a fun, simple pleasure, much like wearing comfortable, durable socks. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with their amazing lifetime warranty. You can find the link for Darn Tough socks and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
With your fruit mixture ready, it's time to fill the molds. Carefully pour the blended mixture into each popsicle mold, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. Then, insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold, making sure it stands upright. Place the filled molds into your freezer. For best results, freeze them for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even better, let them freeze overnight. Patience is a virtue here. Once your popsicles are fully frozen, it's time to enjoy them. To easily remove a popsicle, run warm water over the outside of the mold for just a few seconds. This helps loosen it without melting too much. Then, gently pull the stick to release the frozen treat from its mold. Serve your delicious, refreshing homemade fruit popsicles immediately. They are perfect for a warm day or any time you crave a sweet, healthy snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.